Arvind Kejriwal may enter the parliament. Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP Sanjeev Arora will be vacating the seat for him. This is through sources we are learning. However, we'll try and get a confirmation on that. We do understand Aam Aadmi Party has declared its bipole candidate for Jalandhar already. That is MP Sanjeev Arora will be contesting the bipole. Does that mean Arvind Kejriwal will enter the parliament? Well, this is what we are learning at the moment. Also, as per information, Arvind Kejriwal is currently residing in the allotted house of Sanjeev Arora in Delhi. And there are now murmurs that Arvind Kejriwal could enter parliament. Well, this is the big breaking news now coming in. My colleague Ashwini also now joins us on the broadcast here. Ashwini, is there any confirmation on this yet?
Right now, it's based on sources that Arvind Kejriwal may go to Parliament, Rajya Sabha through the Punjab, and Rajya Sabha MP from Punjab, Sanjeev Arora, is now maybe will resign soon because his candidature is announced from the Jalandhar West constituency. This seat is vacant after the dismissal of Aam Aadmi Party's MLA Gurpreet Gogi due to the suicide. He did suicide last month. Sources are saying that Arvind Kejriwal will contest this election, but as of now, there is no confirmation when will the name of Arvind Kejriwal be announced from the Punjab. But party sources said that Sanjeev Arora will be accommodated as a minister also because he is a big businessman, and currently Arvind Kejriwal lives in his house in Delhi that is allotted to him as a Rajya Sabha MP. But sooner or later, maybe this month only, the Arvind Kejriwal name will be announced for the Rajya Sabha MP. Because right now he's not a MP, he's not a MLA. After the Delhi elections, we saw the Aam Aadmi Party lost the election, and this is the first time Aam Aadmi Party is in opposition after the party formation in 2013. So maybe sources are saying that after the by-election, elections are concluded, when the Sanjeev Arora will become an MLA, then he will resign and Arvind Kejriwal will go to Rajya Sabha as an MP.
All right, but why the necessity for Arvind Kejriwal to enter the parliament now? I mean, after the Delhi rout, we've seen the Aam Aadmi Party, Atishi, of course, has been made the leader of opposition, but is the Aam Aadmi Party not really confident anymore in Delhi now?
See, in next 5 years, we cannot get Aam Aadmi Party is not looking any seat in Rajya Sabha or in Vidhan Sabha because the Aam Aadmi Party's number is 22, and after 4 years there will be a Rajya Sabha election in Delhi, and possibly that all the 4 seats will be won by BJP because Aam Aadmi Party has no numbers for the Rajya Sabha in Delhi, and there is a 2-year government in Punjab because 5-year government in Punjab, Aam Aadmi Party government is running, and we cannot see that Aam Aadmi Party is able to position its supreme leader Arvind Kejriwal in any of the parliament. Most probably Aam Aadmi Party sources are saying that he is not an MLA, he is not an MP, so that Aam Aadmi Party can accommodate him as an MP from Punjab, because in Delhi it's not possible. He also lost his MLA election. And in Punjab, people are saying that after the election, after the Delhi elections concluded, BJP and Congress are saying that maybe he can replace Bhagwant Mann as a chief minister, but the party has denied that information. It said it's a rumor created by BJP and Congress. Now, Aam Aadmi Party sources are saying that maybe Arvind Kejriwal go to Rajya Sabha because right now he's not an MLA, he's not an MP.
Right.
So maybe he will get a position of a member of parliament from Punjab.
All right, so what happens then? Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP, currently Sanjeev Arora, will be contesting the election from Jalandhar West. That is the Vidhan Sabha election he is going to be contesting. And as per sources, we are learning that he could be made a minister also in the state. And in exchange of this seat, this seat could be given, his Rajya Sabha seat could be given to Arvind Kejriwal.
See, there is 7 seats in Rajya Sabha from Punjab, and currently all the 7 MPs from Aam Aadmi Party. Sanjeev Arora is a big businessman based out of Ludhiana, and he is ready to give his seat to Arvind Kejriwal, but he's waiting for the by-elections because Jalandhar West is a constituency where he's contesting now. Today only Aam Aadmi Party is officially announce his name for the Jalandhar West constituency. Now, sources are saying that he will contest the election, and once he will win the election, then only he will resign from the Rajya Sabha MP seat, and then Arvind Kejriwal will contest the election from Punjab. And people are saying that to compensate Sanjeev Arora, party is also interested to give him as a ministerial berth in Punjab government. We have to wait till the elections are concluded, because as of now, Election Commission has not announced any by-poll date for Jalandhar West constituency, but Aam Aadmi Party is announced Sanjeev Arora's
Right.
name, because party is trying to give a chance to Sanjeev Arora to contest the election, because he's not politician, because he's a businessman, so he will do some groundwork before the elections are announced.